In this video, we are reviewing the SimplyFood Track and Trace report. The purpose of this Track and Trace report is to provide the traceability of materials in the event of a recall. This report has two different ways to get the information needed to quickly locate the correct information from production. The first way we will run this report will show a full balancing view of your raw material. If we select cilantro with a specific lot number and the run report, we will see several things. The receipt of item with the slot number will total at the top. In this case, we started with 140 pounds of the cilantro. Then we see the actual transactions that show the life of the material. In this case, we start with the receipt. Then we see that the cilantro was used in 2 production orders. Additionally, there was an adjustment of 30 pounds from stock due to bad inventory, leaving us with 90.7720 pounds. If we compare this to current on-hand inventory of cilantro for this lot using the inventory summary, you will see that the report balances to the current quantity on hand. If we review our transactions again, we will see to the right that we produce mild 16-ounce salsa, resulting in 203 cases. And additionally, the cilantro was used in the production of 250 pounds of hot salsa batch. The hot salsa batch is considered a subassembly, which was then used in another production run to create 40 hot 16-ounce cases. Lastly, on this same report, let's us move to the next page to show the final shipments of each of the salsas made, where it was shipped, who to contact, and what products and lots are affected by the recall. If we run this report using the second option of backwards lot traceability, we will be able to enter our finished goods lot number and determine all the materials and subassemblies that went into the production of that lot. At the top of the report, we see the finished good product with the lot numbers used in the hot 16-ounce case. There is one item in the hot salsa batch, which is a subassembly produced prior to the finished good. The report shows all the lot numbers from this subassembly since it was produced and consumed in SimplyFood. And finally, you will see that it also shows a subassembly in the hot salsa batch, the spice bag, that was completed as an earlier production in the process. With SimplyFood Track and Trace, your company will be able to get recall information quickly. The old way of recalling everything produced on a certain date, which can result in the recall of both good and bad lots, or digging through manual records or spreadsheets, will be in the past, all resulting in a time savings for your company and increased consumer confidence in your products.